Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Triumph Bonneville T120 Black. This is the 1200cc torque monster, blacked out engine, black pea shooter exhaust. This gorgeous retro has only 217 miles. Believe it or not, this bike is barely used. Cool matte silver finish. It's got the tank pads just like the old Bonnevilles. Comes with a passenger backrest and luggage rack, and again only 217 miles. Make your retro sport dreams come true for just $99.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.